This is line pressure 3.6 bar. Pressure settings 13.4 bar. Cutoff 6 bar. So whenever pressure come down below 4 bar, pump will start. If it is above 6 bar, pump will stop. This is the frequency set point. Pump 1 and pump 2 speed can be set from here. Suppose if here we set 25, then here the reactive was 125 frequency. So now pump 1 is in auto mode and pump 2 is in auto mode. Line pressure is 3.6 bar. So if both the pumps are in auto mode, then the system will work based on the cut and cut off set point. If switches is in hand mode, then pump will work based on the frequency set point. Now both are in auto mode and our set point is 4 and 6. Now the line pressure is 3.6. If I increase the pressure, now the pressure is 6.7. So pump off. Again, if it is goes below 4, pump 1 will start. Now pump 1 is in start, and if it is again 6, pump will stop. Next pump will start. This is auto mode. If you want to run the pump in hand mode, just make it in off position, and if you want to run the pump 1 in hand mode, here you can set the required speed. If you need 35 Hz, just send to 35, then here pump will work in 35 frequency. Same, if you put pump 2 in hand mode, this will not run. At a time only one pump you can run. If you want to run the second pump, make the first pump off. Now second pump is running. Second pump frequency is 22 Hz. So here it will work in 22 Hz. And if pump is running, level is become low,